The United Nations in Palau marked UN Day 2025 with an open house at the Small Grants UN office in Koror, a gathering that brought together partners, stakeholders, staff, and young media professionals to celebrate the UN's work across Micronesia. The program opened with welcoming remarks from Sharon Sakuma of the UN Coordination Office, who reaffirmed the UN's ongoing commitment to supporting Palau's development and resilience. Mr. Mamadou Kane, the UN Resident Coordinator for Micronesia, delivered special remarks emphasizing the importance of partnership and regional cooperation in achieving shared goals. Throughout the day, various UN agencies, including the Food and Agriculture Organization, the International Organization for Migration, and the UNDP Small Grants Program, showcased their work in Palau, highlighting efforts in climate resilience, sustainable agriculture, and community development. An open discussion followed, giving guests the chance to engage directly with UN representatives and explore how global goals take shape through local action. The celebration concluded with a shared lunch and a group photo, capturing the spirit of collaboration and community under this year's theme, Building Our Future Together.